Akonyo wa boda boda nagezaako okudduka kati wuuyo bamukutte so kyekiriwo mu makya wano
ate gwe tujja kuleka ssebo
Shil Bazira, representing the people of Kawempe South. On Sunday 17th this month, the nation was greeted to sad news of the passing of one Aziz Bashir, who was killed by a border mob in the areas of Mengo, Rubaga, Kampala district. This happening is opening other wounds and more questions about something that has been with us concerning the management, operationalization of the border industry. Right Honorable Speaker, it is very absurd that this sector, which is the biggest employer in the transport sector in the country, is not regulated. It has no clear structures of leadership and management. It is upon this background, Right Honorable Speaker, that I'm rising to give a notice of an intention to move a motion that will help in the management, regulation, and professionalization of the border industry, and I seek your way. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you very much. Besides having item 4.6 on the order paper, I think we all some of you watch what happened to some person who had a small accident and then tried to chase the person who caused the accident, who happened to be on the border. And then in the process, he knocked another border, and unfortunately got killed by the people who came there. I think that's the concern of the member, that this particular incident is not isolated. It's not an isolated case. It is happening. So I don't know how to. It's a heavy policy matter because we have a substantive item under 4.1. I don't know whether we can put it under there so that the minister responsible for Kampala City Authority and Metropolitan Affairs can come and deal with this matter as one of the aspects that they need to deal with. Would that be fair? So that we also deal with this issue properly. Is that okay? I think let's leave it for a substantive matter on the order paper, and then we handle it there. Thank you. Next item.
Item number 3, State